In case you've been living under a rock and you have no idea what HelloFresh is, this is the moment that I'm going to change your life. So, one, it's absolutely delicious. It is so delicious. Every single meal, y'all, we've been trying out different meals for the past few years, and every single one of them have been just absolutely delicious. I love the fact that they are going to be really flexible for your lifestyle. So right now I'm showing you that here's our little tray of taters, and it was easy to modify. It's totally sustainable, so you're going to be doing less prep work and you're also going to be wasting less food. I know for our family, I really suck at figuring out portions, and a lot of times we end up wasting food. So I think that this has always been extremely helpful because we always finish our HelloFresh meals. This saves so much time as well, and it's just changed our life, y'all.